wanted to give you a brief preview of this excellent month-by-month gardening guide, Daily Advice for Growing Flowers, Vegetables, Herbs, and Houseplants by Franz Bohmig. There are thousands of tips in this book. Look, 1299 says, cyclamen should be carefully protected from severe frosts. And tip number 1294, late flowering gladiolus varieties must be removed from the ground, etc. So let's check out the table of contents. There's a foreword, and well, they just start off in month by month. January has tips, lots of them. February is still winter. There's illustrations in an orange font, and the book's written in a green font. As soon as frost-free dry weather sets in, water evergreen trees and shrubs. See, I didn't know that. I need to read this. This is going to be a lot of reading, but you would use it as a reference, and I would say maybe the next couple days before the end of the month, pull it out and plan your month ahead if you're serious about gardening. So there's just tons of tips about all sorts of different things you might be gardening and growing, and at the back there's some charts, and it must work for every growing zone. That's the month-by-month gardening guide. It's sure to be an invaluable resource, especially for people like me that are not very experienced yet at gardening. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this brief preview helpful.